Rev up your engines! For the month of April, the Scotty Kilmer channel has been the most watched car channel on YouTube. And why is this important? Well, because since YouTube started over a decade ago, Top Gear, which is a major corporation production, has held the role of most watched car channel on YouTube. And finally, a single individual, me, has been able to have his YouTube channel be the most watched car channel. The month of April 2019. And yeah, I hear it all the time. People say, Scotty, oh, YouTube's changed, they're different. But where else on the planet can a single individual, me, in this old garage, can have more views than a major media corporation? I started doing car talk on CBS. I outgrew that. I saw, hey, why talk to just an audience in Houston? Why not talk to the world? And with YouTube, yes, you can still talk to the world. If you've got something worth talking about, believe me, people will listen. Not certainly not a flash in the pan. I've been working on cars for 51 years, passing advice out to people, and I've been on YouTube for the last 12 years. One guy in a little bitty garage in Houston, Texas. I'm here to help everybody. I am not changing my philosophy at all. When I see good things about cars, I'll tell you. When I see bad things about cars, I'll tell you that too. I'm here to give you the most unbiased opinion so you can make a wise choice yourself. And none of it could be possible without you viewers. Hey, there's only one of me, but there's millions of you. And I'm going to continue helping you out. Every Thursday and Saturday, I do my live Car Talk podcast on YouTube Live, so anybody in the world can ask me a car question, unless you happen to be in one of those countries where they ban YouTube because they're not into freedom. And I'm going to continue to help those millions of people who watch my videos, who are tired of hearing lies from various corporations about how great something is, when in fact, you know it's terrible. Hey, you can find the truth here on YouTube. It's great. Everybody can share everything. When somebody has a problem, hey, of course, tell me about it, because I store all that stuff in my head. And hey, there's a lot of good products, good cars out there, but there's a reasonable amount of junk too. You don't want to get stuck with that junk, so I'm here to warn you against all those problems that you would otherwise fall right into. As a wise man said, learn from other people's mistakes. So even though I might be the #1 car channel watched on YouTube last month, hey, I'm not changing anything. I'm going to continue. If anything, that motivates me to make even better videos, to give even more information back to people, and to test out even more products to see which ones are good and which ones are bad. And every Wednesday and Sunday, I let the viewers show off their own cars and their own car ideas. So thanks again for making an individual like me become the most watched car channel on YouTube in the planet. That's the way it was truly meant to be. The true American way. Not some propaganda here or there and lies. People telling the truth to people all over the world. So keep watching the Scotty Kilmer channel and keep those comments coming. I want as much feedback as I can possibly get. My brain still works. I may be 65, but hey, I still feel like I'm 20 inside my brain. Yeah, I don't look that way, but my brain still thinks that way. I try to stay away from mirrors whenever possible. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.